Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrigrano here with a Weather Now update for you on this Sunday morning, looking at another nice sunrise glow here as that sun's getting ready to rise here. East Providence looking pretty good out there. Same deal in Newport. Very cold though this morning. Temperatures in the 20s and 30s. And thankfully the winds aren't that strong, so that definitely is helping. But look at these temperatures. 25 Smithfield, 24 Taunton, 27 New Bedford, 33 Newport. Actually, Newport's the only location that's above freezing right now, and you can see, Nantucket's also above freezing. But for us locally, at least, that's the only temperature I see that is above freezing on this map. Looking at the red flag warning, remaining in effect for Sunday. So as we mentioned on Saturday, it was in effect yesterday. It's also now in effect for today. Dry brush, dry air. Those gusty winds, not quite as much of a factor, but certainly looking more like the dryness just overall is going to continue to kind of potentially give us that chance for some brush fires. So you want to avoid the burning outside. Live radar, things are quiet. The wide view shows our next weather system approaching from the west. That rainfall that you see there will arrive for late tonight, well after dark, and will last into very early tomorrow morning. So for this morning, though, a cold start. Temperatures 20s and 30s will be in the 50s, though, by the middle part of the day. An overall seasonable, afternoon for us. Increasing clouds expected, so any sunshine we see should be really focused on the first half of the day. Then for this afternoon, temperatures topping out in the mid and upper 50s. Lots of clouds building in. And then again, right after sunset, and then after, during darkness, seeing those clouds really filter on through. I do think the rainfall holds off until about 9, 10 o'clock tonight in the form of some showers arriving. And then we'll be seeing some periods of rain, some of which could be moderate at times overnight. And that would bring us, about a quarter to maybe even a half inch of rain. So, a decent amount of rain that would at least help the drought and, of course, the dryness we've been seeing. But we need a whole lot more. But we'll take what we can get from this system tracking through overnight. Rainfall ends early tomorrow morning from west to east. Here's the rainfall totals, as I mentioned. Begins around 9 and 10 o'clock tonight, and then goes through about 7 or 8 Monday morning. Notice the numbers here. And this is just one model that we use. About a quarter of an inch of rain is expected when all is said and done. Maybe a few locations see a little bit more. Maybe a few locations see a little bit less. As for Veterans Day, like I mentioned, any showers end early. Clouds clear out. And we'll be seeing increasing sunshine for the afternoon hours. Temperatures well into the 60s for the afternoon, so a very nice Veterans Day ahead of us. And then looking at a comfy evening as well for later Monday. So that's a check of your Weather Now update. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.